Welcome to Riotouch Factory Show again. Well, this time is final part. We'll miss everyone watching this video. Long story short, let's start the trip. A good LED screen is very important for creating a high-definition 4K interactive display. We're using high-quality screens such as LG, AUO, GUI, CSOT. With good quality screen you can enjoy excellent vision experience. Screen protector can make screen become anti-glare and more solid, realize 178 degrees wide vision angle. We use the best glasses to be screen protectors. Make sure you have a sturdy and durable interactive board. Last step is fixing the frame. After that, a completed product will be made out. For ensuring stable quality, we will take strict quality tests such as aging test, touch function test, etc.